Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we'll be learning how to crochet this cute and easy granny square, as you can see. And there are lots of projects that can be made with a granny square. These are some of the projects on the screen. So if you know you want to learn how to make a granny square so you can turn it into a bag or maybe a coaster, make sure you stick to the end of this video, okay? And this is a super beginner friendly project, which means it is perfect for crochet beginners. So now let's go straight into today's video. So you get your yarn. Then we're going to start by making a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, you can as well make a chain of 4 and you slip stitch into your first chain. So we're going to start by making a magic ring, alright? So take your yarn, wrap it over your 2 fingers just like this. Then make sure you have this X looking thing here, alright? Then you insert your hook into this place, yarn over, pull out this yarn, and that's how you make a magic ring. So we're going to do that again, okay? Take your yarn, wrap it over like this, take it back, and you take this part back, then you insert your hook and pull out this yarn, okay? So once you have your magic ring, we're going to make a chain of 6, okay? So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Once you have your 6 chains, we're going to make 3 double crochets into this magic ring. So yarn over, insert your hook. Once you have 3 loops, pull through 2 and you pull through the last 2. Again, pull through 2, pull through the last 2, yarn over, insert your hook. So you have 3 loops, pull through 2 and you pull through 2. So once you've made your 3 double crochets, you go ahead and chain 3, 1 2 and 3. Then we're going to make 3 double crochets again into this magic ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then again, and the last double crochet. So this is how your work should be looking. Now again, go ahead and make a chain of 3, as you can see. Then into that magic ring, yarn over, insert your hook like this, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook, now this is how your work should be looking. Now we're going to drag this tail end of our magic ring. So just pull this tail end. Now this is how your work should be looking. Now go ahead and chain 3 again. And for this last stitch, we are going to make 2 double crochets instead of 3, okay? So into that ring, make 1 double crochet and the last double crochet. So once you have your last stitch, remember we made 6 chains at the beginning. So into that 3rd chain, we are going to make a slip stitch. 1 2 3, insert your hook right here. Once you have there, so this is our row 1. Now to continue, we are going to make a slip stitch into this ring. So insert your hook right here, yarn over. Once you have 2 loops, pull through, and that's how you make your slip stitch. Now this is our row 1. Now for row 2, we're going to go ahead and make 6 chains again like we did in the beginning. So once you have your 6 chains, we're going to make 3 double crochet into this hole. Can I call it a hole? Yeah. So we're going to make 3 double crochet into this hole. Now yarn over, set your hook, pull through 2, pull double crochet. Now from here, we're going to chain 1, and into this stage we're going to make 6 double crochets. We're going to make a corner or a cluster. So chain 1, make 1 double crochet, 2, and your third double crochet. Now to make this part into a corner, and what I mean by that is to make this part of the granny square have this, as you can see, I have this corner square. We're going to make 3 double crochets into this cluster. That means to make 3 double crochets, chain 3, and another 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Okay, so once you've made your first 3 double crochet, you chain 3, and into this same space make 3 double crochet again. Now as you can see, that gave us this corner right here. Okay, now to continue, chain 1 into this corner space. We're going to make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets again. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now this is how our work is looking. So from here we're going to chain 1 into this last space. We're going to make 2 double crochets. Now into the third stitch we're going to make a slip stitch. So count 1, 2, 3 into that third stitch, insert your hook, make a slip stitch. Okay, now into that same space insert your hook and make another slip stitch. So this is how our row 2 is looking. This is how your work should look. As you can see, it's already turning into a square. It has these 4 corners, as you can see. So this is how your row 2 should look like. Now for row 3, I'm going to go ahead and chain 6. So as you can see, our work is starting to have this middle space. So it has a corner space, a middle space, a corner space, a middle, a corner, middle, corner, and yeah. So into every corner space we're going to make 3 double crochets, 3 chains, then 3 double crochets again into the space, just like we did in row 2. And into every middle space we're going to make only 3 double crochets. Okay, so once you have your 6 chains, into this first space make 3 double crochets, 1, chain 1, into this middle space make 3 double crochets, now chain 1 again. Now into this corner space we are going to make 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets again. So start by making your first 3 double crochets as you're seeing. Now chain 3, just like this, into the same space, another 3 double crochets, and yeah, we already have this corner. Okay, now again chain 1 into the middle space, make only 3 double crochets. Okay, chain 1 again into the corner spaces, make 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and another 3 double crochets. So chain 3 into the same space, make 3 double crochets. Now I believe you already know how this works. So get to this point, you chain 1, and into this space we are going to make 2 double crochets. Now to close your work, you count to the 3rd chain and insert your hook. Once you have 2 loops, pull through, and this is how our row 1, 2, 3. This is how our row 3 is looking. So you go ahead, insert your hook into that same space and make a slip stitch. Now we're going to go ahead and make this to row 4. To continue, you all know, chain 6 into this space, make 3 doubles, 1, chain 1. Now into these 2 middle spaces, we're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. Okay, into this corner, make 3 doubles, 2, 3, then 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and 3 doubles again, 1, 2, and 3. Into this last space, as you all know, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Then on the third stitch, you make it and you make your slip stitch. All right, now this is how your work should be looking. This is how my row 4 is looking. So like I said before, if you're turning your granny square into a project, or if you are making it slightly bigger, you should note that as you make more rounds, you're going to have more middle spaces to work into. Okay, so all you need to remember is into each middle space we are going to make 3 double crochets. Then into each corner space we're going to make 3 double crochets, 3 chains, and 3 double crochets into that same space. Okay, so just note that while you make your granny square bigger. All right, so guys, this is the end of this video. This is the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, if you found it helpful, be sure to like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified on my future uploads. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.